Hello again, YouTube fans. This is Matt of Post April 6th YouTube channel. Well, today I got a nice package in the mail. Now, I don't know exactly what this is going to look like verbatim because each individual smoking pipe has its own little unique characteristics. I mean, there may, if it's turned on what's called a phrasing machine, a lot of shapes are going to look pretty similar, but there's going to be little itty bitty details that make a pipe its own and one of a kind. Like the grain being slightly off on one and on the other one it's stronger, or if there's a couple of nick marks, so on and on and on and on and on. So, inside this package is a 3x5 envelope and a package and a box. It's like a box inside a box or a package inside of a package. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. Okay. I'm about to get started. I'm going to use this. A good old reliable Swiss pocket knife. Open the baby up. I'll open it on this side. Now that was smooth. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the itty bitty teeny weeny cute little box here. Oh, come on. It's fighting me tooth and nail. What this is a British briar pipe. Shame on them. They should have taken the bit out of the pipe and packed it a little more tightly, wrapped it around newspaper, around ooh-wee. Look at that. That's a ton of tar buildup, man. That's a ton. It looks like that on the bottom side, and looks like that on the top. Yeah, I ain't gonna be smoking that pipe tonight, that's for damn sure. Just a second. Okay, I'm back now. If you look inside the bowl, that bowl is caked up. Now, I bought this pipe as a buy it now sale on eBay, knowing that I was going to have to do a whole lot of cleaning and scrubbing and all kinds of stuff. And it might show up, it might not. I think it says right there, Harriel'S. Or Harriel'S. It is spelled Harrri.